The 2022 China Today Arts Week kicked off in Australia's Melbourne on Thursday in celebration of the 50th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between China and Australia. The Arts Week features exhibition of ceramic artworks from East China's Jiangxi province and paintings and prints from the northeastern Heilongjiang province.
This is a great opportunity to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the diplomatic relations. Look back at all the good things that we've done, where can we go better, but also very important to look forward for the next 50 years, and I look forward to even greater relations with Australia and China in the future.
我觉得艺术本身就是一个共同的语言。从我们来的观众，你看中外观众，包括当地的民众，他们对中国艺术的一种热爱，足以看出这艺术的力量。我想随着展览的推进，越来越多的当地的民众会走进这个展厅来看这个展览，我想会掀起一个当地的对中国文化喜爱的一个热潮吧。我也希望这个展览能够助力中澳建交50周年。
Co-hosted by the China Federation of Literary and Art Circles, the Chinese Embassy in Australia and the Consulate General of China in Melbourne, the Arts Week runs till November 10 at the Pacific Arts Centre.